240. You know what I mean?
So what are we doing today?
So today, we're putting the engine in an S14, baby.
Oh.
Let's get it. Nah, it has nothing to do with this. It's just in our way.
It's the same number as your car, though.
14, baby.
That's
Till I
it.
die, you know what I'm saying?
That's it.
Old reliable, even though I never raced this one. This one's just been sitting here.
So what they don't know is you're an old, washed-up dirt track racer.
That's it, dude. Maybe next year, we'll go dirt track racing with this car. We'll see. I've never driven it, though, so might be bad.
Like chat, like look.
Sean Fry, baby. That's me. Every day, 24/7.
All right, back to the Japanese vehicles. Let's go. All right, we are back at Big Todd's shop, and we have a really good surprise today. The S14 engine is about to go in. All the parts are on that you saw in the last vlog that just dropped recently. But the owner of the car, Colton, is here today, and he has yet to even see the engine fully put together. So should we do a quick reveal so he can get his reaction? Oh, we got Herbie here today.
Gentle now, gentle.
Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Boom!
Ooh, that was a good light time.
Yeah, boy. That thing is sexy.
It's funny how big they look with all their accessories on now. Like, it's just...
It's crazy. So in the last vlog when they were saying you couldn't really tell, like, the color, like, you could really see the blue and purple and pink on top of that. It's absolutely stunning. And the wrinkle black does look absolutely amazing on everything.
Dude, it pulls it together.
Everything. And this one, it's on the purple, like when it's fully in there. I think it's just going to be the icing on the cake. Nice touches with this, too. Sean has shown me they had shaved this down. I mean... It looks incredible, man. The pieces from Nice Time at the house, too, that went... We were questioning about the purple, but this, I think it wound up good with the chrome look to it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I like the chrome. The stencils that he did came out.
This is like actually textured,
yeah, you could
too.
feel
like,
it.
I didn't notice that before. Like, it's actually, like, textured in there, too, which is really dope.
But
which looks cool, like, with the white lettering and everything like that.
That's what I was saying.
Man. How it sits, too.
So
The top mount is the way to go. I know some people have bottom mount ones, but the top mount look is where it's at for sure.
I think this thing's gonna make some jam too. We need your thoughts because we have one comment with 1 horsepower, 1 torque, and we're gonna give away a couple shirts. So you don't get any shirts, but you definitely have to guess your own horsepower.
I don't get no shirts. I think it's gonna make more torque than horsepower, but I know we were talking about keeping it around 15 psi. I'm gonna say 370 and 380 torque. 370 horse, 380 torque.
I think the other comment
Well, it was
was
365 torque and 350 horsepower, I think. Or it's vice versa.
We're kind of close.
yeah, we're close.
Similar.
Yeah, we're close.
I think those are promising numbers. What did you say?
I would say horsepower.
Yeah, what would you say?
Yeah, what'd you say? How much?
326, folks.
320, 326.
Dude's like coming lowballing us. Lowballing
We're
us.
keeping this on pump. I'm basing it off of what my Evo did too. So this has the same size turbo as the Evo. The Evo made 500, but only like around 300 torque-ish. So I'm thinking with this being a half a liter bigger than that, that it should easily make that 370 range with that amount of PSI.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
This is gonna be good.
Well, we're gonna try and keep it, reliable horsepower.
Reliable?
I think it can definitely make more jam if we want to turn it up, but we're gonna make sure she's good. You know what I mean?
Reliable street car.
Yeah, reliable street car.
And did you pick a paint color yet for the car?
Sean is gonna reveal that. It's gonna be a special color. We'll just
Yeah.
say that.
Word. So you gotta stay tuned for that as
We
well.
talked about it a little bit.
Did we?
Yeah, it's going to be similar to the valve cover in the last
it?
vlog. Similar. We're either going to recreate our own or use an old school color from 2004.
Hell yeah. All right, cool. So why don't you tell them what you did to finish up from the last vlog that we left out that you said that they would see, and we'll get this thing in the car.
Let's do it. So as you guys can see, it's a lot fuller of an engine than last time. So like we talked about, we had to get the rest of the intake manifold on. And you can see in here, all the lines are ran, all those little pieces we got powder coated. This way it just stayed fresh. And I cut a lot off of pieces we weren't going to use. So all that's nice and powder coated. We got the IAC system in here because he's going to run the IAC. I don't run the IAC. That's why I adjust my idle through a screw on the carburetor. But this will have its all OEM system. We got the engine mounts on there, obviously. Turbo is finally on here now. So last time I forgot the box at home, so we weren't able to put it on, but we got that on. We got the drains just kind of softly on there. The coolant, or is this is the feed for the oil. So I just got it kind of temporary in there. Once everything's in the car, we'll start messing with that. One thing that we got to do today is, I think it's on the other side, we have a part from Nice Time that he sent us over because the CX Racing Turbo came with like the wrong size flange for what our application was. So I sent him over dimensions, and then he instantly sent me over a full drain kit. So you guys can actually buy that online at nicetimeraCing.com, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Another thing he sent us over was a nice surprise for my brother is he hooked us up with the oil cap, and then as well as this little delete panel here. So what he does make is a coilover conversion, but you can also get a dress up like this. So we're not going to go coilover on this. It's going to rock the OEM distributor and spark plug and all that good stuff. So this is just a dress up piece. So it's just something to clean up the center, because usually the Ks, like you guys have seen on mine, it's just empty here. So he thought this would look real good. It's a little dirty from my dirty fingers right now, but cleaned up and polished, that thing really pops. So I'm actually really happy. I didn't think I was gonna like the polish on here. I thought purple would look really cool, but I think it breaks it up really, really nice. So we're just gonna get away. We got some new belts from Nismo Parts Plug as well that we're gonna throw on here. And for the most part, she's kind of ready to go in. After we get the drain on, we're gonna bolt on the new clutch. So we're rocking the same pressure plate, same flywheel. We just cleaned it up, and then the clutch that was in this car looked a little worn, so we just ordered a new one from Clutch Masters, and then we're gonna throw that in. Should be rated for around 600, and that's pretty much it. Bolt the trans up, get it in the car today, and then we'll see how far we get after that. So let's get going. So this is the piece we needed. So this is just the drain that bolts to the bottom of the turbo. So all it's going to go is drain from the turbo down into the oil pan right there. So this is a kit you can get from Nice Time. Comes with your drain, hardware, AN line. Always got a sticker in the kit.
Oh, man.
Need those. Horsepower.
Yes, sir. Nice Time racing, baby.
So throw that on real quick, and then after that, time to get to the clutch. That's why. There's no brakes on the car.
That's why he doesn't do good. He's got Andy's bad drive.
Yeah. So this is another piece that Nice Time sent over. So if you guys are looking for other parts besides just custom pieces that he makes, he does sell whatever you need. So just hit him up. So we went with the Turbo Smart wastegate, something that he recommended, and I've always heard really good things about it.
Nice.
I don't know what the red one is. But yeah, so we're gonna throw this on there because it'll be easier to get on the car now, and then we'll worry about getting the dump tube on there, and then also connecting all this with the vacuum hose and stuff to make sure it works correctly once it's already in the car. Because I know we might have to make a custom dump tube. I don't know. It was really close last time, but it worked, so maybe not.
The hood, right? So we can get those.
We could do it through the hood. That would be dope. I would be really down for that. Right. Hold on, where is it? That'd be sick as fuck if we do it out the hood. Because that's what I wanted to do to my car. We'd have to make a longer one, and it would make it super easy. Yeah, dude. All right, you heard it here. He's down with it, so we're cutting a hole in the engine. Goddamn, hole in the hood. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this. More than the actual process itself. Spend more time on it. Shit, boy. Right. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Now I got flash.
What the hell? You lube that thing?
Yeah. Right there's a dial. Gotta go right there.
They really are.
Yeah, C's.
Yeah, they only make like 200 horsepower, but like the turbo kicks in so so light, you just chuck them around anywhere, bro.
It's just like driving the GTIs,
Yes,
like the 1.8s and shit.
Yeah.
The KO3s, KO4s.
Yeah. Yeah, it's such a good car.
Same type of.
Yeah, same type of layout. Yeah. It's nice because believe it or not, they're 4 doors. I mean, it's not comfortable in the back, but they are 4 doors. You fit kids and
Damn, you got
shit.
balls, kid.
Handicap section or whatever. All that went down. Dude,
Yeah.
Watch the
just kinda
door.
light those up.
You gotta turn it towards me. There you go. Yeah,
How's that?
that's good.
All right, hold that. And then we're gonna put something that's good for now until we get her in.
our contract is here. That's like.
The bay's looking crazy.
Dude, with this engine in, in fucking reality too.
Bash it.
What we're gonna do is, yeah, about now,
Start dropping it.
we're gonna start dropping as low as we can, and you're gonna have to start holding this kind of down. It's an intricate process. Keep coming. All right, hold that. Just hold that back one. Just from the firewall, we're gonna walk her in like that.
Here. Battery might die. Hook the charger over there.
Just try to down more or in more? Down.
Come in more.
Yeah.
That
It should start to come
come
back.
down.
What we're trying.
Power or steering rack. Yeah, so we need another jack now so we can start jacking up the transmission. I can't see what's going on.
Oh, as you drop it, Sean, we're in.
I'm in. Are you in? No?
Can't tell.
No, you're out. Something's wrong with these engine mounts. That's gotta be it.
Like,
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's definitely harder to keep that power like smooth when you're in the lane, and then like it comes off, and it's just like, like you know, like it's just a quick like
Top of the
and
thing.
it's loose, you know,
Yeah.
so like it's like a.
Alright, so
Nobody can do that.
we learned a lesson. OEM mounts, you have to have one bolted to the subframe and one not. Well, one bolt to the subframe, one bolt to the engine. Herbie decided after we fought for an hour he'd let us know about that.
Shout out to Micah Diaz.
So we're finally in. We're gonna pull everything off. Hopefully we didn't scratch anything, or at least not too bad. And see how it looks in here.
My grandma hated it so bad. I had the dreidel song by Partner from South Park.
Clock this bad boy the right way, you know, just to get the effect. Damn. Looks a lot better than before, dude. This is one piece we're gonna call on. Need a little touch up for that little bit. But other than that, for what the fuck we were just doing,
Yeah.
not bad.
We didn't touch anything.
I was expecting worse.
I told you it wasn't gonna be that bad.
That looks fucking fire in there.
It looks
Once the
phenomenal.
wires are starting to get put on and all that good
looks
stuff.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, dude, that looks good as fuck. It's so
Come on, man.
dirty,
What do you
too.
think?
Just fucking stoked. It's been a long day, and to see it in here finally. Awesome, man. Absolutely awesome.
A little bit more work.
Couple more months
Yeah,
and you'll be
that's all right.
driving.
More time hanging out with the boys, though,
Yes,
man.
let's go.
Hell yeah, man. Wouldn't think like putting an engine like that would be difference.
Because it didn't like, I mean, it looked good from when we first started with this, but then like since we've seen it so many times, it was like, all right, whatever. And then the engine, we've seen it for a while, like, all right, whatever. Now it's finally together. It's like, yeah, that looks good.
Looks
And like I said, once the wires are starting to be actually put on and tucked nice, so they're not like on the engine bay and shit like that, that's gonna make a world of difference too. Intercooler piping, everything in there, it's gonna look good. Throw the intercooler on real quick too, because I'll give it a nice little aggressive effect.
aggressive effect.
Water in my veins. Nice.
Oh, that's what those 2 bolts are for this. That's fucking red, white, and blue.
Yeah, dude.
So we're ending here tonight. Definitely took a little bit longer than we thought, but it looks absolutely phenomenal in here. So this was obviously the next stage to get this thing where we need it to get it running. So the next step for us is going to be obviously figuring out the wiring. So I'm going to do that behind the scenes, just start plugging stuff in, figuring out where it needs to go. We're going Mega Squirt. Colton bought a Mega Squirt a couple months ago, so I got to wire that, pull out all the old like standalone stuff, or not standalone but piggyback stuff that they kind of chopped into the harness. So we're going to clean all that up, and then the next time you're going to see us on this car is we're going to make our own intercooler piping and route it to the new intercooler. Everything's a little bit different than originally, so the old piping won't fit, and then also with the Mega Squirt, we're not going to be using the MAP anymore. We're going to be going, I forget what it's actually called. Is it MAP? It might be MAP. So it's a whole different way of tuning and way of controlling the engine. So we're going to be transferring over to that. So the car can't run yet. If it wasn't for that, we could throw the MAP on, the intercooler pipe, and then get it started. But we're going on a new route with this, so it'll be safer, more ability to tune. So that's the next stage. All right, so next time you guys see this car, we will be in a different garage, getting this thing all ready to go. So remember, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this. And always remember, live limitless, baby.